If you're an active individual, whether you run or you bike or just go to the gym and work out, you get muscle aches, you get muscle pain, or you have stiffness and soreness. And oftentimes a percussion massage or a foam roller or something like that can help. Sometimes that doesn't help, or sometimes that aches in an area that just doesn't work with a percussion massager, like your lower back. I can't use a percussion massager on my lower back. That's where something like a muscle stimulator that uses very low voltage to contract your muscles and help you relieve pain might be a benefit to you. So today I'm going to talk to you about the Chirp Halo. And there are lots of muscle stimulators out there. You can go on Amazon and research it. But what makes Halo different is that it's so easy to use. In fact, it's so easy to use, I'm going to just demo it for you right now. This is the Halo. This is what provides that low voltage stimulation. This is the trigger point electrode. It's very simple. They just attach magnetically. A couple electrodes here. I peel off the backing. Now I had previously looked at the Halo app, which we'll look at later in the video here, and it told me for my stiff bicep, I want to attach it right here, kind of right just above my elbow, and I attach it there. I'm going to press and hold the Halo, and you can see the light spinning around there telling me it's turning on. I then take the remote. I turn the remote on, and there's 6 pre-programmed routines you can do in here, and we'll talk about those again later. I'm going to pick the massage because I want to massage it. I press start and I use the button here to adjust the intensity. I'm at intensity 3. I'm beginning to feel it in my muscle. I'm going to go up to 5. That feels pretty good. So it's working on my muscle to massage my muscle. Now I'm going to enjoy this for a little bit, but when I come back, I want to talk to you about a little more about electrical muscle stimulation. What is that? I want to show you what comes with the Halo, and then we'll kind of dig in a little bit into the app to see what all it does for you. Look at the remote, how easy it is to use, and we'll kind of roll all this together, and I'll share with you my thoughts on the Chirp Halo, and also I'll have a coupon code for you should you decide this might be helpful and beneficial to you. I'll be right back. Hi, I'm Ralph, the Ageless Runner. I'm all about helping you have a fun, safe, and healthy running life, and I'm so glad you're here today. Thank you. So when we talk about muscle stimulation, we're really talking about 2 areas. One is called TENS, which stands for transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, and that's a technique for pain relief. And they also talk about EMS, electrical muscle stimulation, and that's a technique for muscle contraction. So what the Halo does is it combines TENS and EMS in 6 different programs, reduce pain, provide muscle contraction, to massage your muscle, thump your muscle, stretch your muscle, whatever it is you might be interested in, using very, very low voltage. And it's a proven technique. It's been around for a long time, as I said in the intro. It's not nothing new. But again, what Halo has done, what Chirp has done, is make it easy to use. Now, maybe you've never heard of Chirp. They were started in 2015 by Tate and Hannah Stock with the purpose of making well-engineered, well-built, easy-to-use equipment for pain relief and muscle relief of our bodies. And the products that I've used, and I've also done a review on their RPM Mini and one of their wheels that I'll link up at the end, but I find their products very well designed, very well built, and very easy to use. So what comes with a Halo? Well, everything comes in this small little portable carrying case. Everything that I'm going to show you today is contained in this case. And I have what's called the single Halo, where it has 1 Halo device. They also make a double that comes with 2 Halos. So it has the Halo, which provides that very low voltage stimulation to your muscles, and the remote. Now, one cool thing about this case is that these devices charge in this case. There is a small USB-C port on the bottom here that you plug in, and it charges both the Halo and the remote at the same time. Very cool feature. So what else comes with the Halo besides the Halo itself and the remote? Well, of course, you get this trigger point pad that I was showing you earlier. That's what the Halo attaches to, and you can put various spots on your body to provide that muscle stimulation. It also comes with a lower back pad. Again, you can see the electrodes there that the Halo attaches to. So if you have a low back issue, and who doesn't have low back pain, this is very helpful for that. It also comes with 2 smaller trigger point pads that work in conjunction with the main trigger point pad. In other words, you can put the main trigger point pad and these supplemental ones around the larger muscle to provide a broader area of stimulation. And of course, it comes with a USB-C cable that I have here, USB-C cable, and necessary cables to hook up those extra small pads. All that comes in the single. If you get the double one, you get 2 Halos and twice as many pads. And it comes with a small user manual, and we'll talk more about this a little later in the video. Now, a big question probably in your mind, and certainly was in mine, in using a muscle stimulator, where do I put that pad? How do I do that? And that's where the Halo app, which is available on both iOS and Android on your phone, is a great resource for doing that. You don't have to use the app. There's some trigger point information in the manual, but it's not nearly as extensive as in the app. So I would encourage you to download that if you get this, but let me show you the app here and let you appreciate what all it contains. What's nice about the app, as soon as you open it up, it asks you, where does it hurt? Is it the front of your body, the back of your body, your feet? Pick the one that's appropriate. Let's start with the back. Let's go with the back. And then it asks you, well, where on your back does it hurt? Is it your neck, your shoulders, your upper back, your lower back, your arms, your glutes and hips, or your legs? For me, it's going to be my upper back. I'm going to pick my upper back. And then it's going to further dig into where's your specific pain area. And the red color you see on these pictures indicates the pain pattern that you may be feeling. Is it part of your upper back? Is it your shoulder, down your arm? Where is it that you're feeling the pain? So review the pictures and pick an area where you think might be most appropriate for you and click it. And when you do, it'll bring up a picture or a video showing where best to place the electrode. Put the electrode in that position. It will also show you on that page common symptoms of that pain and common causes. So the app is very good at helping you pinpoint the proper location to put the electrodes to give you the best relief. Now the app also has some additional features. You can click the menu. It'll discuss the preset programs, explain a little bit about each one, the pain relief, massage, squeeze, thump, stretch, and the Whoa Nelly. And of course, if you want to learn more about the pads, there's a section on the pads, why they use them, what the kind that they have. There may be one that's more appropriate for your specific issue. And of course, there's a support and FAQ section. Now keep in mind that app does not control the Halo. It's only an information source. What does control the Halo is the remote. Very simple remote, and let's dive into it and let me show you how easy it is to use that. The remote is very simple to operate. It doesn't have a lot of buttons. It's really got one button and a ring. It's got a button in the center that acts as an on-off and a select. Then the ring has a toggle up and down, left and right that you can use to adjust and select things. So to get started, we just press and hold the center button, turns it on. You can see it's waiting to pair. That means I've not turned my Halo on yet. So if I turn my Halo on, you'll see it connects and brings up the preset programs. And all 6 preset programs are listed here. I would use the up and down buttons to select a program. Maybe I will do squeeze. I will press squeeze and get started with that program, but there's no intensity yet. I need to pick an intensity. So I start pressing the up button. Do I start to feel something? There we go. I'm starting to feel it right there at 6. Now that feels pretty good. I'm going to go up to 10. Oh yes, I can feel that. That's working pretty good on my top of my right shoulder. So you can see there's a countdown timer. It's going to finish the preset 20 minutes. But maybe something's come up and you realize I can't go 20 minutes. I don't have time. I gotta run to the store later for the wife or the husband. And so I hit the right or left button once. It brings up the timer. So I got the remaining time. If I hit the down portion of the ring, you can see it removes time, and I'll go down to maybe 11 minutes. So now it's going to continue on from 11 minutes, just continuing the same intensity, no change, but it's going to go for a shorter time. Now, another scenario that might come up is maybe I don't want to do squeeze. I thought I did, but I really don't. I want to go to a different program. If I just hit the right or the left toggle twice, it gets me back to the menu. I'm going to squeeze. I'm going to go up and do massage, hit enter. Now, the intensity resets to 0, so I need to add intensity. But the timer doesn't change. The timer picks off where it left off. So now I'm getting that new program running with the remaining 10 minutes and 45 seconds left, and it'll run. At the end of that timing, the unit will shut off. However, if you decide, I don't want to go that long, I got to stop sooner, just press and hold the center button, turns the remote off, and also turns off the Halo. Now you're free to take them out, put them back in their carrying case, plug it in, and get them charged up, ready to go for the next time. So as I said, it does include a manual, a very brief manual, shows you basically how to use it. This will get you started. It has a brief diagram on trigger points where you can put the pads. Again, the Halo app is much better in that regard. Now, the other key thing in this manual, of course, are the warnings and precautions. This is a device that's emitting very low voltage on your body. Of course, there'll be some warnings. And I want to share with you one thing, a section they call contraindications, which is simply a fancy term for saying if you have this condition, do not use it. And it says do not use this device if you have a cardiac pacemaker, implanted defibrillator, or other implanted electronic device, or are connected to high-frequency surgical equipment. If you fall into that category, don't get this. Don't even buy it because you should not be using it. And then, of course, there are other warnings. For example, you don't use it above your shoulders. You don't use it on your head or your neck. It is not meant to go anywhere on your chest. You don't use it anywhere on your chest. They don't want it there. And there's some other warnings. So you want to be sure, if you do purchase one of these, review those warnings and make sure you understand the range of use for this device. So let me just kind of summarize, I think, some of the nice features about this compared to other types of muscle stimulators. Again, the Halo attaches magnetically to the pad. A lot of stimulators out there, you have a stimulator over here, and then you have to run a wire over to the pad. So you got this wire connection. You don't have that here. You have a wireless remote. You control it with a remote. That's a nice feature. It has those 6 preset programs that can cover any range of conditioning or stimulation you want to do on your muscles. Again, very easy to use. And last thing, of course, is this unit has been FDA cleared. So it's been evaluated by the FDA and approved for use on people. So it meets a lot of needs. It's easy to use. It's not cumbersome. If you have persistent muscle issues, my wife always has me rubbing up here around her shoulders, around her neck. I said, sweetheart, let's try this on you. I put it on her. She did the 20-minute routine. She loved it. So it's very good for those persistent problems, for those nagging problems. It's not what I would call a routine kind of thing. In other words, you're not going to go out for a run or do a workout, come home and use the Halo. That's what a percussion massager is for, or a foam roller. It's where you have a persistent problem that those don't help, or it's just some tightness that just won't go away. That's where you use this. So I've talked a lot about the good things of this device. Are there any negatives? Well, there's one little one, and that's these pads. These pads cannot be infinitely reused. They will not stick to you after so many tries. Now, Chirp says it's about 15 to 20 uses before you would need to replace them. They're not extremely expensive. On the Chirp site, a 2-pack of this trigger point pad is about $17. So if you get 15, to 20 uses, that works out to about 50 cents each time you use it. So it's not terribly expensive. Again, as I said, this is not a routine thing you do after every workout or after every run. You use it as you need it for those issues, persistent issues that aren't responding to, say, a percussion massager or a foam roller. Now, if this is something that might interest you, I do have a coupon code. Ageless Runner will get you 10% off your order. In other words, anything you order from Chirp with that coupon code gets you 10%. If you buy the Halo and maybe you want a massage wheel, you can get both those and get 10% off. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Those likes really help my channel and my video. And if you're new here, please stick around and subscribe. Thank you so much. Stay strong and happy running.